Hey guys, welcome back to INSANEBRIT Gaming. I'm the INSANEBRIT and today we're unboxing my first tripod. Never had one before. I do have a Sony Handycam. I might leave that in the annotations or maybe in the link in the description below if you're interested in getting the full unboxing of this. And it's a slow unboxing, but you'll get the gist of it anyway because it was my first camcorder and stuff like that. But it is a good one anyway. It's £200 Sony one, so that is the nature of the camcorder that I've got. So this tripod. It's called, the title of this is in the link in the description below. Camera mini tripod. I wanted a mini one for tabletop specifically. Compact desktop tabletop tripod for DSLR, SLR, phone spotting, scope, camcorder, and mini video. Okay, I've got there's two different versions here. One's in black, one's in red and black. Normally I would have got the red and black one, but at the time I think it was like £10 more, so I just bought the black version for £20. But Amazon do go up and down in price. Okay, so universality and practicality. Compact tabletop tripod. Okay, I've read all that. For tablets as well, apparently it says. Lightweight and compact. This mini tripod is only 1.68 pounds. It is the best choice for macro shooting and smaller sizes. Lighter weight and closer distance. Come with a carrying bag. Oh, that's kind of cool. Perfect for photographers who love traveling. So if you can travel with this as well. Put it in your bag or whatever. You get your own custom bag. So that's pretty cool. Not that I do a lot of traveling, but it's nice to know that I've got that option. Adjustable height can be adjusted easily with 3-section leg and quick release locks provide a more convenient stance satisfying your desired height when shooting. So of course you want it at a certain height, etc, etc. I have to muck around with that and what my preferred height is and all the rest of it. Precision design. The tripod has with a precision bubble level design includes 3 adjustable knobs to dampen pan head effect when applicable, with abilities to shoot at any angle and with precision and efficiency. High quality. These tripods are made from aluminium alloy tubes and ABS environmental plastic to offer the best use experience. Okay, so that's all the mumbo jumbo of what they're trying to sell to me and everything. It did cost about £24, whatever. And it did come from Japan. That's why it took so long. And I love how I've got it here. And I haven't got some scissors. I've got nothing. Why do I do these unboxings and I always forget the scissors or knife or whatever? I just don't know what's wrong with me. I'm a retard. I'll have to tear into this now. Alright, whatever. This is so annoying. Come on. Right, there we go. It's easy enough, but still. Just like to make life easier on myself, you know what I mean? Come on. Yeah, this came off. Okay. Yeah, easy enough to open, even without scissors or whatever. So, here we go. Alright, so we've got some packaging. Oh, it comes in one box. Okay. So that's the end of that. Get rid of that box over there. Vizakatan? I don't know what that is. There you go. There's the name of it specifically. Camera, projector, video camera, mobile phone, 22 lightweight, pan and mount, quick release plate. Black, blue, and orange they do it in. I didn't see the blue one. I only saw the black and orange one. But anyway, let's get this. Let's have a look. Come on, man. Right. Oh, it comes in a bag. Okay, cool. Nice. Kind of slick. I like that. Okay, so the bag is okay. It's small, but of course that can be extended. It's got a strap on, so yeah, that's pretty cool. It's zip up. It smells weird. Why, like... Ugh, there's a strange smell about it. Like proper plasticky smell. I don't know what that's about. But whatever. So, there's the bag. And it's waterproof, I suppose. I don't know. I'm guessing. But like I said, it's my first tripod. I assume because if you're traveling. But whatever. There's an instruction book here in... Oh, that's brilliant. Yeah, my My Japanese is perfect. I can definitely read that. It's not a problem. Oh, hold on. There's English on this side. Okay, mounting screw, quick release plate, lock. It's gonna be a pain. It should be easy. I never normally read the instructions for most things, and I get it right, but you know, here and there. But like I said, it's my first version of this, so I'm hoping I got everything. It works perfectly fine. Whoa! So that's what it looks like. Okay. Okay. So that's what it looks like when I've just folded that out. So let's have a look here. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Give me a second, guys. Okay, how do I lock that in? Because assuming there's going to be a lot of mucking around with this, that's what's going to happen. Well, let's try and do the legs for now. Oh, that is so easy. That is so easy, guys. Ridiculously easy. Okay. Basically, here it is, right? You want it longer than that. Literally, the leg just drops out, and you do that. Bang. There's your longer leg. That is cool. Okay. So let's do that all the way around. So let's... There's the tripod standing up. Why does that look bent out of shape? What is that about? I'm really gonna have to muck around with this a lot, just to get the gist of it. I've got to try and lock this in place. How would I do that? We'll soon see. So that seems to be flipping down, and you can move it, I assume. It's going to be interesting in itself. Guys, I'm going to cut the camera and muck around with this for a little bit, and then I'll get back to you. Okay guys, after tinkering with it a little bit, this is very interesting stuff. I'm working it out. It's fairly simple to understand. So basically I got the legs down, but there is more you can do it basically. So basically I did this, and I released these legs as you saw, and then that. Okay, that's fine. However, there's further up, there are these which are even more, so that gives you even more height. So there's two clips on each leg, and that's why I've got it proper extended, and you can see it now. All right, what am I doing? Upon closing them up, again, it's my first tripod, so I'm a little bit noobish at it, don't get me wrong. There's a couple of things here I want to show you. So this on the back here, or the front, you'll get this this basically a knob or whatever we're going to call it, handle, and that basically you turn it, and if I put it down here a minute, you can rise up the camera thing, this main thing here, and then you'll get even more high vantage point or whatever. I'm going to lower it right now, and then that tucks in nicely. So I'm just going to give you some basic runs down of what I found out thus far, I'll be honest with you. Now this is kind of interesting, because you want to pan around with this and everything else, and I want to know how that locks into place, because I'm kind of nervous about the camera. That's not going to hold up if I put my camera on there, or at least it didn't beforehand, so I was a bit wary of that. So this thing here, the side bit here, okay, unlocks it so you're able to pan, I believe. If I can just... no, hold on. I can just unscrew this section. Right, so this knob bit here, this handle, you unscrew it a little bit, and it enables you to move it like this, and then you lock it into place. This is what I was worried about, that my camera would not lock into place. So if I tighten that up now, it should stay where it's at. If I unscrew this bit, this should allow, this is allowing me to pan now. So now I can pan around left and right, and that's pretty cool. So basically it's funny, because these two knobs, this one and this one, the big one here, is the ones that allow me to pan and lock it into place. So these two are very important, and you got the extender, what I showed you with this little handle here earlier, which tucks nicely into place so you can go up and down. So you get a lot of height variations. That's pretty cool. However, what I haven't done just yet is lock it into place with my camera. Now this is going to be interesting because I don't know the ins and outs of this. So yeah. Is that open? No. So how am I going to, you know what, I'm going to close that for now and let's see if I can do this. I don't know how this is actually going to work, so yeah. I don't know if I like that. Doesn't feel safe to me. Nah. That does not feel... It's locked in a little bit, but that's still dodgy to me. That's a bit loose to my liking. I'm going to have to figure out that a little bit in a minute. But yeah, hold on. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back, and this thing in itself is genius, absolutely genius. I absolutely love it. I've never even had one before, and I've kind of worked it out in minutes here. Essentially, basically on the back here, I was trying to put my camera on the on here. Obviously, it slots in there because I got the 2 holes where it's supposed to go. So I'm like, well, how do I do this? This is unstable, all the rest of it, blah blah blah. But yeah, so I'm like, this is a pain in the ass. Anyway, I'm going to show you here. At the back here, there's this, a clip, right? You do that, and then you take this bit off, the screw bit. Okay, this is where the camera will sit. Again, I'm very impressed because I haven't had one before, and it's like, damn, this is pretty good. So basically, you put this where the hole is in your camcorder, and at the back here, you screw it in. Ingenious. Absolutely ingenious. Clever. So clever. It's so... The way they've done it is just brilliant. So if I can just do this now. And that seems to be somewhat solid. I don't want to break it or whatever. Maybe a little bit more tight than that. I don't know. As tight as it can go. Or I want it. Yeah. That's about it. It's solid. It's on there. So yeah, that's basically it. And then I put it back on. If I can just and there you go. So I pulled that back and I put this back in and it clips on nicely, and there it's on. So there you go. Hold on, give me 1 second. So now what I would do is, wait, hold on, I think I've done that wrong. To show you guys, I think I've done that a little bit wrong. There you are. You can fit that way. That's the way I want it. But yeah, that's the way I want to go. And now, assuming I'm going to film, and the height and everything, and the adjustable legs. So let's pretend I want it to get I mean, that's how it looks. That's pretty badass. And now I can just do that, pan, and I've got the whole screen here. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like around the back. Just to give you an idea of what you'll be seeing. So that's what I'm filming, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Just to give you a general idea. So now you're seeing me a little bit there, or should be. But yeah, guys, that is really, really cool. It is my first tripod. It's really, really good. I personally will be doing still shots for my videos and stuff like that. Where I'm basically just, you know, aiming at one place. I won't have to move it too much. Or at least I don't think I will anyway. Be a bit there and go forward all the way. But yeah, it should be interesting. Plus you got the zoom as well. So I can zoom in and out if I feel the need to as well. I can adjust everything, and if I try just say hitting the record button, and then I'm just recording. That is pretty good. Plus I can move it around. It's not heavy. So that's really, really cool. I don't think I need it at this height. So let's pretend I'm just filming now. I'll do these legs at the bottom. Whoa. And I'll tighten them up with the clips. And then that's more or less going to be me for my food reviews and stuff like that. But that is how it works, guys. I'm very impressed. I've worked it out in minutes. It wasn't too hard. Basically, when you put the camera, if I can find it now, yeah. When you put the camera on, and it tightens up or whatever. I believe this is to tighten it as well. This little knob here. This actually comes off as well. But yeah, so I think that's to tighten it as well as secure it. Make sure you use that to secure it so it's more stable or whatever. But yeah, guys, I'm very impressed with this. Universal from Japan. Well worth the wait. Oh man, I've got a varied. I mean, this is perfect for me. I can extend it. I can raise it even if I want to. So you know, if I can just do that now. If I need that little bit of height and I don't want to extend the legs, just be a little bit careful when you're doing it, of course. You know, you don't want to break anything because then it'll ruin the whole product kind of thing, you know. In theory, if you broke this, just say you broke a handle or something, you'd still be able to use it, just not to its full potential, as it were. But yeah, guys, I'm very impressed with that. Plus, I got the bag as well, which is a small thing, but nonetheless, to me, bit of a bonus, I feel. Hold on, if I can just put that back in. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, guys, I'm very happy with that. It's taken me about, what, 5 to 8, 10 minutes to set up all in all and get used to it and have all the functions. And guys, the link for this product will be in the description below. I highly recommend it, and I'm a noob at this, so you know if I'm recommending it, I'm a noob and I've gotten used to it, and you're used to a tripod or whatever. This is definitely worth getting. Customize it with the orange one if you want. But yeah, definitely well worth the 25 quid. Anyway, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Links will be in the description below. Donate to me via PayPal or whatever, or buy some merchandise if you're, you know, want to help support and run this channel. This is a good piece of equipment, and it's sturdy. There's nothing wrong with it. The feet are rubber as well. Yeah, and there's also some kind of balancing hook at the bottom there. I don't know if you can see. To weight it down, I suppose. For those of you that do have tripods and know about tripods, you'll know exactly what that is. I believe here on the book, they just call it the hook, essentially. The hook increased stability for outdoor use when weight is added to the gravity hook. So basically you add something onto it. I mean, I don't know the ins and outs of that, but there's nothing that came with it. But yeah, and plus I got a free bag as well, which is falling down. But yeah, I'm very happy with that. Anyway, guys, I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.